Okay, the purpose of this lab is to troubleshoot system startup, and this is number 2. And in this scenario, all the problems are things that could occur when replacing a power supply. So a customer has brought in a computer for repairs with these specifications. We replaced the power supply in the computer, and now the computer won't boot. So we need to diagnose and correct the problem. Okay, well, I can see some partial connections there. So let's click on the motherboard view of the computer. And that looks like a partial connection right there. So let's zoom in a bit. We can see this end is connected to the hard drive, and this end is not connected. So let's place there to complete that connection. And we can see that this hard drive is not powered up. So let's click on the power supply and we'll power that up. And if we scroll back, we can see this is connected to the motherboard. However, the CPU power is not connected. And that looks like the 8-pin spot for the CPU power. So let's drag this here and power that up. And let's look at the back of the machine also. Let's scroll down. The machine is plugged in to the wall, so that's good. Let's move in a little bit. Looks like that's 115 volts, which is good. This is currently in the off position, so let's press on, like, I think I remember this as 0, it's like no power, 1 is like power, and right now it's on the 0 for no power, so let's press the 1 to turn the power on. Now let's scroll and then go to the front view, and we'll scroll up and let's hit the power button to see if we can boot. That's promising. I hit delete to go into the BIOS, and maybe F2 that you need to hit on your machine. So let's scroll up and see if the components are recognized. Should have an Intel, well, this says Intel i5 and that says Intel i7. I assume this is just a typo right here. Let's scroll up to the memory. All right, we have 16 gig of DDR memory, DDR4 memory, and let's scroll down. We have the 3 SATA hard drives. Okay, so that seems promising. So let's hit exit and see if the computer boots all the way into Windows. And give it a moment to boot all the way into Windows. And that appears to be successful. So let's mouse to Score Lab and score to see how things went, and looks good. So thank you for watching.